Hi guys. Hey, today, good morning. I have to do something about this house. I have to do a bit of dusting. The toilet has to be cleaned nicely. It's clean, but the usual thing that you normally do. I'll make sure that I mop this staircase, which I've not done for a day or two. And guys, I'm gonna start with the upstairs. Please like and subscribe to this channel, guys. Sometimes we clean together, other times we shake together, other times we cook together. Today we are gonna clean. We are gonna clean this. What happened is this place is dark. This place is dark. You see, I've just removed these carpets, these rugs, with an intention of just shaking them, guys. You see, this upstairs toilet needs some makeup. The bathroom needs to be worked on, and this sink here, my God, this sink here. Ooh. Let me tell you, you cannot sit 2-3 days without doing these types of work. Hey, thank God there is water. Water is there in plenty. And this place, because it's dark, I'll have to see what I can do about the lighting. Yay. Let's see what I can do about the lighting, because it's a bit dark, though the bulb is on. And let me tell you guys what happened. Why I'm doing all this cleaning is because my pump, the one that pumps water upstairs, what do you do, guys, about those pumps that do not lock? I don't know the language to use, the plumbing language to use. A pump should fill the water upstairs, and then after that it locks. But mine, the water will drip down. When I'm downstairs is when I will see drops of, water coming down the pipings and everything upstairs. And guys, what do you do about this bathroom? This bathroom, there's a very nice, there's a very nice netting material that I used to clean this bathroom. Where is that thing? A very nice netting material, guys, that I use here. This one, it needs that, this green one here. Pour some water with soap and jig on this one. This is jig, and I'm gonna touch it without gloves. Oh my God. That is jig. I put that jig there because I bought a lot of it. Why is that soap? I need that soap, so I have to go to the other bathroom here. Guys, the place is in a mess. This is the other bathroom. And so this is where I'm adding my story. Because the reason why I have to do this cleaning is because of this place. This place here. I'll tell you what happened in a moment. In a minute, guys. I'll tell you what happened. What happened is what I'm telling you. The water. I've come back to this other bathroom. Because the water overflooded upstairs. And guys, how do I even open this soap container, which is finishing, but I need the little that is remaining. Now, let me ask you guys. Water overflooded upstairs, and it overflooded and poured. Ooh, it poured, guys. Bathroom cleaning, which is hectic, but as for me, I should tell you I don't have any help. So, who else will do it other than me? But with this green net here. The place may be a bit dark, but guys, never mind. I scrub. Scrubs very nice. Very, very nicely. And this is exercise, guys. Don't always call somebody to clean for you. Sometimes bed your back. If it is not aching, bed it, bed it, bed it. Bed it and clean. So I use that one. And then after that, I wish I have a place to place my camera. Then I can show you how I go about it. I use this other brush. And then I sprinkle the water. You see these parts? They'll be clean in a moment. I know how I go about it, guys. It's not a big deal. So, those things, they go within a minute, by the way. Within a minute, I'm done. And guys, take care that you don't fall. There's a time I fell in the bathroom. This is an old house, guys. The tiles can tell you. These are old style tiles. These days I don't think you see any house being built with this type of tiles. I don't think so. But because it's a house and we sleep in it and we don't feel good in the night, this is what we do. This is the house I live in, so I have to clean it. Me, myself, and I. So guys, that is my soap for me. So watch out when you are cleaning the bathroom that you don't slide and fall. This mat here is very, very important. But you see, like now, this very particular moment, I'm removing it so that I clean here. This place may slide. You can slide if you are not very careful. And if you have taken a few days without scrubbing your bathroom, you can easily slide. But because, as for me, I pass here every other time, I don't. And you know, there's jig. So step on that thing when going out. So guys, all these are mats I've removed. Let me add some jig here on this cloth. Yeah, I'm sure you're wondering, why don't you put jig in a container? No, I know why. Because I wanted to be on this. You see this stubborn place here? I wanted to be there. And guys, do you clean your bathroom yourselves? Or you have to call help every other time? Guys, I do it myself. I enjoy doing it because I don't see why not. So, guys, that was that. Now, because that thing has got cheek, I'll leave it for 5 minutes. Then I'll come and sprinkle some water. You see? I'll come and sprinkle some water. Hey, guys, interesting. When you do the work and you find it done, hey, you feel good. So like now, I'll just sprinkle water. That bathroom is okay. Come to the floor. And remember there is soap down here, so you have to be very careful. If you hear me scream, know that I've fallen, but I'm not going to fall. In Jesus' name. I've fallen before. So, let me finish up with this sink. So that I go to the other bathroom where there is a story. And in that bathroom, the story starts from how water filled up. And on filling up, guys, water just messed the top and what do you call it? The roof. And now the paint of the house, the paint of this old house, it started peeling off. So my bathroom is in total mess. That bathroom there, the other side. This is the guest bathroom. This is the guest bathroom. And we use it sometimes. We use it. And guys, hey, look at my lipstick. Does it happen to you guys? Oh, lipstick. My toothbrush, what a shame. Let me show it to you. It just, whoa. But anyway, that does not bother me because I'll have to wear lipstick every day of my life. So what I do is that I come replacing that toothbrush every other time. Replacing the toothbrush, yes. So guys, I'm there. I'm through with that bathroom. And now it's just a matter of dusting. Oh, this glass, if it drops, it will just break. It will just break, so I hope it will not drop. So guys, I told you we are dusting today. Dusting and dusting. And what is this? That one? Only God knows what it is. So dusting. This is an old house, but with those old time toilets, which are very strong, by the way. I have to do something about the inside of that toilet. So I have jig and I have I use jig most of the times to clean these places. Why lie? I use jig because it's just good for me. So guys, hey, I thought I had light. What happened? I thought I had light. I think I have light now. So the thing is, these mats all have to be removed. I have to shake them out there. And now, oh, guys, it's not easy to do this kind of work. It's not easy, but now these mats have to come out. So guys, I'm not taking you to the bathroom where there's a story. There's a story in one of the bathrooms, and I'll take you there in a moment. But guys, let me confirm that this bathroom is done first. I'll just confirm that it is done. And what better way to confirm than taking a move and now I think I'm through with that. So guys, let's see you in the next one after you subscribing. Bye.